it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm really happy to have you here. And as always, if you're returning, I'm really happy to have you back. It means a lot to me. And today I have another one of my favorite boxes. And this is quickly becoming, even though it's only my second time doing this box, it's quickly becoming my favorite box. And it's my mix and match box. So mix and match is another one of the styling services out there that you pay a styling fee, and I think they're doing a special still for new users where you pay $5. I believe it's usually $25, and they send you a box after you fill out a profile. But what I like about mix and match is that your stylist actually reaches out to you prior to you getting your first box, and they want to know more about you. So it's kind of it feels a little bit more personalized because you get to communicate with them before you get your first box. So I was super impressed with my first mix and match box. I really, really liked it. I actually kept, I think, 5 out of the 7 items from my box. So I loved it, and I'm super excited to try it again. So we'll get right into my box, and as we go through it, I'll tell you more about mix and match. So it comes with the envelope, which has a lot of paperwork, and there's a note from your stylist. There's also information about how it works, which is nice. So there's a lot of paperwork. I'm not going to bore you with it, but I will leave information below if you want to learn more about mix and match. And then there is your prepaid mailer. So with mix and match, shipping is free both ways. With mix and match though, they use the they use UPS. So you just have to drop it off at your local UPS store, or I think you can arrange for a pickup at your house. But that's the only difference with some of the other styling services, that they use UPS instead of like the post office. I didn't read my whole note yet, but I will show you briefly. And if you want to pause the screen, you can to read it. But here is my note. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it that close, but for those of you that are interested in that. And I do have the same stylist. Her name is Faith. And oh, my leopard cutout has made it into this box. I've been waiting for this leopard cutout shirt, and I'm really hoping that I like it. And I can't wait to see it and try it on. Some people tell me that leopard is so out of style, but I don't care. I love leopard, and I will not stop wearing leopard. I just am obsessed with it. So I'm really excited to get into this box and see what's in there. So what's nice about mix and match is that they package the box really, really nicely. It comes with a cute tissue paper. It's like you don't want to break into it. It's like a Christmas present. Okay, and then there's 2 packages. So here's the first one. And in my first package, I have, looks like a flannel shirt by Crescent. And it's $38. And I don't really know if there's an item name to this. I might be able to tell on my price sheet once I look at that after. So it's just a basic flannel top. It looks like there's some blues from what I can see where I am. I'm not sure if you can get this on the camera. It's like a dark navy and then some lighter blues mixed in with some light pink. Not really usually my type of top, but it's really soft. Price point's great. And this might be long enough that I could wear with some leggings. So this might turn out to be a keeper. Next I have, whoa, okay, wait a minute. Which one's the front and which one's the back? This must be the back, I think. This is by Odi? Oh, I don't know. I'll have to look when I look at my price sheet, but it's $39. And it looks like it's a gray with like a dusty rose stripe. I think this is the front here. Maybe I'm wrong. And it looks like it's a tie back because the tag's back here, and that's the only reason why I'm saying this is the back. So it must be a low back shirt. That'll be interesting to see. Next, oh, here's my leopard. I can't wait. Okay, I'm really like a little kid with this one. It's by 143 Story by Lineup, and it's $38. Price is really great. So here's the top. Oh, it's not as long as I thought it was going to be, but it's still probably going to be long enough. And with the top, it's got a cold shoulder, which I like. And below, on the bottom, it's got the tie front. So I can't wait to try this piece on because I wanted this in my first box. I liked it on the Instagram page, I think, and it wasn't in yet. So she was able to include it in this box, which makes me happy. And I can't wait to pair it with, I don't know what I'm gonna pair it with. I'm not really sure. And lastly, in this bundle, before I open the next one, Celebrity Pink Denim, $46. And looks like they're infinite stretch. So it has the stretch waist here. So they're just pull-on jeans, which I don't know how I feel about these. If you own any of these, let me know that are not zip up and just pull on. I'll try them on, it can't hurt, but I'm not sure. I like the wash. I don't know that I need any more denim right now. I've gotten a lot of denim and I've bought a lot of denim in my boxes, so I don't know that I need any more, but the price point is $46, so it's not that bad. All right, so that's my first bundle. And then next is, I like that they send you more than 5 items, and with Mix and Match, you get 25% off if you keep just 5 items, which is really nice because you have options. If you don't like all 5, you have a few more to choose from to include. So anyway, this is by Gilly, and it looks like it's a dress, and it's $52. Let me show you. Looks like it's got an elastic band here at the waist area. The colors are pretty. I do like the colors. Might be a little bit, I don't know how it's gonna work with my waistline with the band, but you never know till you try it. And this might look cute with some tall boots, I'm thinking. So we'll see how that fits. Next, I have a Very J top, and this is $50. I think one of the tops I kept last time was by Very J. And it's got the cutout here. Whoops, sorry that the tag's in the way, so you can't really see the cutout. But it's got the cutout here in the front. I have a couple tops like this, so I don't know that I need anything else like this, but I do like the color. It's perfect for fall. And it looks like it's gonna be loose fitting. It almost looks a little big, but maybe it's meant to be that way. And then lastly, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm laughing because I remember liking this on the Instagram page, but I don't know if I'm gonna really like it because it's a little dramatic. And yes, sometimes I can be dramatic, and especially like, I don't know. Let me show you what it is. It's a vest, and it's a faux fur vest, and it's by Gilly, and it's $70. And here's I think the colors, I think I liked it because the colors were pretty cool. I do like faux fur vests. I'm not sure how you ladies feel about them, but I do wear them. I don't have a lot of them, but I do like them. This is kind of cool. It's different. I'm really surprised I'm not sure why I'm surprised, but I'm kind of surprised she sent it to me because I thought I liked it, but I wasn't sure. So it can't hurt to try. So we'll see. So that was my last item. So I'll be back with my try-ons, and we'll see how everything works. And I will be back, when I come back with my try-ons, I'll announce the actual names, and I'll try to do the prices again. So hang tight. Okay, so I'm back, and I have on the Paper Moon Blue Madeline Plaid button-down, and it's $38. I'm gonna move closer so that you can see it's got this collared neckline, which is nice, and then it's got a cute little pocket here. It's a cute detail. I'll back up so you can see the length of the shirt. I think it's a pretty good length. You know I like my shirts longer, so that's a plus. I don't own many plaid, actually I don't think I own any plaid or flannel shirts, so this would be a different addition to my closet. I'm just not sure how much I grabbed for it. So I paired it just right now with the Liverpool gray jeans that she sent me last time that I kept and I just fell in love with. But I don't know, I'll come closer again so you can see the colors of this flannel or the shirt. It's kind of a dark navy in the background with lighter blue, and a light pink. So the color scheme is really pretty. I'm just not sure because I don't usually wear flannel shirts. So it could be a nice addition to my closet for the fall, for, you know, the weekends when I want to just run errands and want to be comfy, because it's very comfy. And again, I do like the length, so maybe I could just throw it on with some leggings and run around and do my errands on the weekends. But let me know what you think about this one, because again, it's not a normal Kayla top, so if I do keep it, I'm not sure how I'd wear it. So I'm looking forward to your feedback, and I'll be right back with my next top. All right, I'm back with the one that I can't pronounce, the Odi, I don't know, charcoal wine drop shoulder knit top with a round neckline and the twisted low V back. And this top is $39. So from the front, I love this top. I think it's super cute, great length, it passes the Kayla length test, super soft, color scheme is great. I love the gray. They're calling, I think, this a wine color, but I would consider this more of like a dusty rose. I'm not sure how it's gonna come across on camera, so I'm not sure, but let me turn around. I'm gonna pull my hair up so you can see the back, all right? It's got that tie back, which I don't know how I feel about. My back is something that I don't really care to show off, and my hair probably would cover most of it anyway. I don't know. Again, I'm not sure that this is something I'd grab for. It's super cute, but it's not my style, which could be a good thing because she does send me things that are out of my comfort zone, and I totally appreciate that because it's things that I normally wouldn't grab for, and some of these things I turn out to love. You let me know what you think about this. From the front, I think it's great, and I love the colors, and it's super, super comfy. I'll be right back with my next outfit. Okay, I'm back with what I thought was gonna be my favorite top. It's the 143 leopard knit top with cold shoulder, and this is $38. So, neckline, kind of too close to my neck for me, but this top is super cute. Look at the tie detail here. I mean, the cold shoulder, I didn't think, I'm gonna turn so you can see, I didn't think that it would be this much of a cold shoulder. I thought that the shoulders would be a little bit, is this gonna make sense or not? They were gonna be a little bit smaller, let's put it that way. So I did think that the holes would be a little bit smaller. That's a good way to put it, Kayla. But they are a little bit bigger than I thought. Otherwise, I like it. I love leopard. I don't care what anybody says. I love, love, love leopard. I don't know, is this a good leopard top though? I love the tie. I don't know. I'm on the fence with this because of the neck and because the arms are a little bit bigger, or the armholes are a little bit bigger than I was hoping for. Otherwise, the price point is great. It really is. The only other thing that I'm gonna come closer so you can see, it's kind of like a lighter brown with part of the leopard print. So I'm not sure what pants I'd wear this with. I tried it on with just a pair of light colored jeans, and it doesn't really look that great. Didn't really look that great with black pants. So I don't know what color pants I'd wear with this. I might have to get a new pair of pants that kind of match the background of this color. But I don't know. If you have any tips or ideas, or if you think I should keep this top, I want to hear it. I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, I'm back and I have 3 pieces on, so we'll go piece by piece. But first, I have on the vest. This is the Gilly multicolor faux vest, and it's $70. I can tell you right now, she sent me a large, and I do need an extra large. So if I do decide to keep this vest, I'll need to size up. I also have on the, oh, where is this? This is the, well, I don't see it on here anywhere. Oh, the Very J Wine crisscross V-neck top, and it's $50. And I also have on the Celebrity Pink skinny ankle jeans. They're $46. So we'll go through piece by piece. First off, the vest. I'm gonna tell you right now that I'm gonna come back and try it on with a black top, and I'll show you that in a minute after we're done. But here's the vest. I'll back up so you can see. I'll turn around so you can see, because the print is mainly in the back since it's too small for you to see it kind of drape. I don't know, but I think I can tell you that I want you to see it with the black because it does look a little bit different with a black top. Let me take it off really quick and show you the top. So the top, I don't care for. The neckline's okay. The color is absolutely beautiful. I love this color. There's just too much material for me. I mean, you can tell it's like, it just is nothing for me. It's just very drapey, and I need something that is more either fitting, I don't know. It's just not a shirt for me. It's a pretty color, and I think on the right person it would look fantastic, but it's just not right for me. I'm gonna back up again so you can see the jeans. These are the jeans that just have, they're just elastic. There's no zipper, which I don't know, they're pretty comfortable. The price point is great. I know you can't see them here. Can you see them right there? The wash is great, but I don't know that I need any more denim right now. I do have a lot of denim, so I don't think, see, I don't like the way this shirt is falling when I do that. I don't think the denim are gonna be a keeper, although the price point, like I said, is really fantastic. So hang on one second. I'm gonna switch tops very, very quickly to show you how a black top looks with the vest and see if you can help me make a decision on it. Okay, I'm back really quickly again with the vest. So I put on just a plain black top. I love the colors of this vest, and I kind of think it's a pretty unique piece. So I don't know, I just can't make up my mind about this vest because I do love vests and I do like unique pieces. I just don't know if it's too much. I'll turn around one more time so you can see the back of the vest. I don't know, I think it's also hard for me to make a decision because I don't have the right size. So I will check to see if they have an extra large in this so that I can try it on because I need the room here. So anyway, please let me know your thoughts on the vest. I really am curious to hear them. I know it's definitely a unique piece, so that's why I want to hear what you think. I'll be right back with my last piece. Okay, and I'm back with the Gilly dress, and it's the abstract print dress, and this dress is, whoops, I just had it, $52. So I'll move back so you could see the dress. It's a great length. I'm gonna move closer again so you could see the print of the dress. The neckline is great. You know mine, I really like the necklines that are not too close to my neck. I really like the pattern. It's got like a lot of great colors with the navy, the burgundy, a little bit of tan. The only thing, and this is the only thing that is making me hesitate about this dress, is I'm gonna move so you could see. Actually, I don't know if you could see it, but it's got this thin band, elastic band here. You can see how it's making the dress look. I don't know that that's a flattering look for me just because of my body type, but I think if this dress was just a straight dress with no elastic band, I'd have no hesitation in picking this dress up. And that's the only thing that's holding me back. So please let me know your comments and what you think about this dress because I'm really anxious to hear. Anyway, I'll do a quick recap. I'll be right back. Actually, I gotta run, so it's gonna be a really, really super quick recap. So I need your help. That's basically what this comes down to. So far I'm thinking maybe the leopard shirt, maybe the dress, and maybe the flannel. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep anything else. I don't think this is one that I'm gonna keep 5 items with. The last box I got, I did keep 5 items. It was great. This box was great too. It's just some things were off on some of the pieces. But I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback as always. Please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you all have a fantastic weekend. We are gonna have some fall-like weather, I think, here. Where I am, and enjoy it if it's gonna be like that where you are too. And I will see you soon for some more unboxings.